hi and assalamualaikum everyone. So today I would like to discuss a Pre-PSPM paper on chapter 1 method. So the first question, element A with atomic number 91 has 140 neutrons and 89 electrons. Write the isotopic notation for element A. So the answer is A 231 and 91. So the number above is the nuclear number which we can get by adding the number of neutron 140 with the atomic number 91. And the number below is the proton number, or it also known as the atomic number. Next, question B. Element B has 4 naturally occurring isotopes and their masses and natural abundances are shown in table 1 above. Calculate the average atomic mass of element B. So how to calculate the average atomic mass? We can calculate the average atomic mass by using this formula, Km over K. So the K is the natural abundance times by me, which is the isotopic masses, and then divided by the total of natural abundance. So we just need to insert the information given, and then we will get the answer 2153.1121. And don't forget about the unit, the atomic mass unit, AMU. But if the question asks for relative molecular mass, we don't need to put the unit. Next, question C. Subric acid is a colorless crystalline solid used in drug synthesis and plastics manufacture. The molar mass of subric acid is 174 gram mole -1. So first Roman, subric acid consists of 55.16% of carbon, 8.05% of hydrogen, and 36.79% of oxygen. Determine the empirical formula and molecular formula of subric acid. So first thing first, we need to write down all the information given, like the molar mass of subric acid 174 gram mole -1, percentage of carbon 55.16%, percentage of hydrogen 8.05%, percentage of oxygen 36.79%. And then we need to assume that 100% is equals to 100 gram. Next, we need to create a table that include the mass for each element, mole ratio, and the simplest mole ratio. So in this case, the element is carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and the mass for carbon is 55.16 gram, mass of hydrogen is 8.05 gram, and the mass of oxygen is 36.79 gram. And then we can calculate the mole by using the formula mass over molar mass, and then we can calculate the mole ratio by using the mole that we get and divide with the smallest mole, and then we will get the simplest mole ratio. But we need to remember that we cannot round off the number, so we need to times it with 2 because we want to get the nearest number. So the answer for this question is C4H7O2. Next, the question asks to calculate the molecular formula. So after we get the empirical formula, we just need to time it with n and equals to the total of molar mass, and then we will get the molecular formula, which is C8H14O4. And then next, the question asks to calculate the molality of subric acid. So first of all, we need to write down all of the information given. So mass of subric acid is 20 gram, volume of water 500 ml, density of solution 1.27 gram milliliter -1. So first thing first, we need to find the moles of subric acid. So we can use the formula mass over molar mass. So we will get the mole of subric acid is 0.4255 mole. And then we need to calculate the mass of the solution. So by using the formula density, we can get the mass of solution, which is 635 gram. And then the mass of solution is equals to mass of solute plus mass of solvent. And then we will get the mass of solvent is 615 gram. And then we can calculate the molality by using the moles of solute over mass of solvent. But we need to remember that mass of solvent is need to be in kg, so we need to convert. So we will get the answer is 0.9619 mole kg -1, or we can use the m, small m, for molality. Next, for question D, the reaction between 20 gram of calcium nitride Ca3N2 and 30 gram of water produce calcium hydroxide and ammonia. So first Roman, write the chemical equation for the above reaction. So we can write the chemical equation by using A plus B produce C plus D. So A plus B is the reactant and C plus D is the product. So Ca3N2 plus H2O will produce CaOH2 plus NH3, and then we need to balance it. So we will get Ca3N2 plus 6H2O will produce 3CaOH2 plus 2 ammonia. The second Roman, determine the limiting reactance. So first of all, we need to write down all the information given. So mass of calcium nitrite 20 gram, mass of water 30 gram. And then we need to calculate moles for each reactant, which is calcium nitrite 0.1349 mole given, and moles of H2O 1.667 mole H2O given. And then from the equation we need to do the stoichiometry ratio. So 1 mole of Ca3N2 will need the 6 mole H2O. So 0.349 mole Ca3N2 will need 0.8094 mole H2O needed. So H2O is the excess reactant because the mole given is more than mole needed. The Ca3N2 is the limiting reactant. The last Roman, calculate the actual yield. So the percentage yield given is 72.35%. So percentage yield is equals to actual yield over theoretical yield times 100. So actual yield can be obtained by 72.35 over 100 times 30 gram. So we'll get the actual yield is 21.705 gram. So that's it. I think that's all from me. Thank you.